Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. This is Aliya, and today I'm going to share with you an amazing technique that is going to help you solve the insufficient storage issue. If you are also troubled by this problem, then you are at the right place. For the last few months or so, I have been very much troubled by this problem. So I figured out a way and I wanted to share it with you people as well. So what I did first, I went into the file browser, which is a small little yellow color icon, and then I went into the storage details, and here it will give me a clear idea about where most of my memory is packed up into. Believe me, just a week back I had only 114 MB, and then because of this method I was able to free up 3.27 GB in my device. If we notice here, most of my memory is packed up in others. And this others refers to all those unwanted accumulated files that get stored when you download an app and stays even after you delete an app. Now I'm going to scroll through my internal storage and I'm going to see that I have a lot of files of those apps which I have downloaded long back and then deleted with time. And all these files are no longer deleted, so I will be just deleting them. It's always better that you cross-check before you delete a file, because sometimes these files may also include some pictures or any important documents. I usually start off by deleting those files which show a 0 beside their name, so that I'm sure that there is nothing in these files. In this start it is quite hectic because you have to go through all of those files and see which one of them is not needed in your device, and then you can just delete them off. For me in the start it was quite a troublesome job. However, for the sake of the memory, I had to do it, and I was able to free up a lot of my memory space. I hope this method helps you to solve the problem of insufficient storage in your device. It did help me in mine, so why not give it a try? I hope you found this video informative. If you want videos like this, then drop down your suggestion in the comment section down below. Do not forget to check out my other videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay smart.